Exercise 6.2, question 7. It says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle which passes from midpoint of one of its two sides, then it will bisect, it means that line will bisect the third side also. So the line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Okay, here the triangle is ABC. What I am said, that a line is drawn parallel to one of its sides. So I am taking the side BC and drawing a line parallel to BC. Now BC is such that it is passing from midpoint of one of its two remaining sides. We are drawing parallel to BC. Two sides are these, and midpoint of one of the sides AB is D. So I am drawing a line L such that L is parallel to BC. Okay, also D is midpoint of AB. Correct? Now what I have to prove, that it will bisect the third side also. Here third side is AC. This line L is cutting third side at this point, let it be E. I got to prove that E is midpoint of AC. This is the target. Okay, so now here our solution starts like this. Given, what is given to us? Triangle ABC and L is parallel to BC, D is midpoint of AB. Okay, this is given in the question. And what we have to prove is that E is midpoint of AC. Okay. This is also called converse of midpoint theorem. Now taking this triangle, as this DE is parallel to BC, then from basic theorem of proportionality, that is BPT. You may write that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. What is the basic theorem of proportionality? That if a line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of the triangle, then it divides the remaining two sides into equal proportion. So इसके जो दो पार्ट्स हुए हैं और इसके दो पार्ट्स, उनका रेशो इक्वल होना है. But see, as D is the midpoint of AB, therefore as D is midpoint means AD and DB will be equal. Midpoint है तो the two parts will be equal. That means AD is equal to DB. Correct? And as the two are equal, it means this ratio will be 1. Same values are there. So AD upon DB is 1, which is equal to A upon EC. So if I cross multiply it here, then EC and AE are equal. Now just see what is the meaning of EC and AE are equal. Here EC, this is AE, the two parts are equal. ये दो parts किसके हैं? AC के हैं. किसने बनाए? E ने बनाए. तो if E is a point on AC such that these two parts are equal, that means E is the midpoint and this L is passing from this E. Okay, so therefore E is midpoint of midpoint of AC, है ना? That means L bisects AC. That is the third side.